Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to block or allow pop-ups in Vivaldi browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Vivaldi browser on your Windows PC. Then click on this one menu icon that represents with V symbol and select this one settings option in the drop down menu. In the Vivaldi settings, select this one option, privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down to the this one website permissions section and you will see here this one pop-ups option. Beside this, you can select this one block option to block the pop-up, and in case you want to allow this one pop-up, you need to select this one option, allow, beside this one pop-ups option. After doing this, just close the browser and reopen it to apply the changes.